Ang mahina ng signal po dito. Ay, pinalalagyan ko. Okay. So, hindi ko na po tatanungin kung nasan kayo ngayon. Pero sana hindi magana na, hindi makat off ang ating pag-uusap. Yes sir, ang report po, ang NBI chief po kinumpirma na kakasuhan etong si Claire Contreras na mas kilala bilang si Maharlika. At kasama na rin si Attorney Harry Roque dahil nga dito sa kumalat at talagang pinag-usapan na pong tawagin ay pulburon video. Matagal na po ito. Bakit po ngayon lang nagkaroon ng decision on filing a case against the two po? Yes, tama po yan. No? The NBI confirms that yesterday, the NBI filed a case against Claire Contreras, or more popularly known as Maharlika po. At least four cases, no? And one case against the primary spokesperson, si Attorney Harry Roque. Tungkol ito dun sa pagkalat at pag-circulate ng tinatawag na pulveronic or pulveron video. Itinaon ito last year during the SONA. Kung kalat ito ay mapanira at ito ay manipulated, altered ito or doctored ito na video, making it appear that a person resembling the president was snorting a white powdery substance. At may mga comments sila na masyadong mapanira. Kung kaya't pinailan sila ng una kay Maharlika or kay Claire Contreras if unlawful use of means of publication. Inciting to sedition kasi meron silang may mga comments sila or may mga insights sila na sinasabing we take down the government or nag-cause ito ng parang public outrage, no? Side of like this dahil pati naman lang yung iba ay sinira nila. Pati si First Lady in one of their posts for your broadcast, sinabi nila na may hashtag sila something like is kidnappers monthly. At during the time, even the sister of the president, Senator Aimee, medyo tinira nila dahil for her silence na wala daw ginagawa. At yung computer-related forgery dahil nga dito sa pag-alter or dito padawa itong video. Yes, well, halata naman natin, o klaro naman, hindi naman dito genuine na presidente mismo ang nandoon. Yeah, okay. Director, yung Harry Roque, yung Cider Lighten. Okay, so isang kaso lang kay former spokes Harry Roque, apat na kaso laban kay Claire Contreras o si Maharlika. Ang tanong po, Director, they're both outside the country at hindi ko alam kung tama po yung pagkakaunawa ko na itong si Claire Contreras na si Maharlika ay isa ng citizen ng United States. So how do we make these cases actually prosper kung parehong nasa labas sila ng bansa, Director? Thank you, sir. Let me correct first. Yung former spokesperson, Attorney Harry Roque, inciting to sedition, okay, in relation to cyber crime act. Yung tungkol dun sa issue, this is an investigation by the NBI concluded by our cybercrime division and of course under the leadership ito ni Judge Jaime Santiago. Ito ay kinorwork sa piskalya kahapon. So however the fiscal or later on the courts will appreciate this, ito ay finding investigation ng NBI. Ito yung aming result namin ng investigation. or the Filipino people will say, wala naman lang ginawa ang ating good first stages, yun ang ating gobyerno. However, they will treat this later on. It's all up to the judicial processes. But let us remember itong cybercrime kasi lahat naman ito ay in relation to the Cyber Protection Act. Ay napakalawak ng broadcast or reach nito. Even sa Facebook, sa different platforms. So this has very wide implications. Especially na ang cybercrime is a borderless crime. It impacted on the governance dito sa atin. It is causing so much public outrage. It is sowing panic and confusion. So ito, we have to deal with this, and we will leave it later on to the judicial processes. How do you go about this? Yeah, but for the NBI, under Director Judge Heidi Santiago, we have to do our part. With my things kami, we will have to inform the Filipino people that this is what we have done, and this is what we are doing, and this is what we intend to do. Na hindi to pwedeng pabayaan yan, because this is very disturbing signal to all of us. You can just use the facilities of the internet. You can just use digital media to destroy people, to destroy governments. Yes, at itong vlogger nga po na si Maharlika, actually, hindi lang minsan isang araw. Minsan, nagdadalawang beses isang araw ang kanyang pagbablog, Pero in this particular case, Director Levin, this is only right now, for now, as we speak, domestic case po ito. Meron po bang plano ang NBI or the government as a whole to file a case, let's say, in the United States? Para, kasi sinabi ni Maharlika na dami na siyang kaso. Actually, hindi lang naman ito muna. Opo, will the DFA or the NBI through the DFA file another case in the US regarding these charges? This will be taken up at the senior management level of the government, because this is going to be a coordinated effort ng ating DFA, ng ating Department of Justice. But for now, the NBI is filing this with the Department of Justice. Okay. And when do we expect po, kung meron man, ang paglabas ng warrant of arrest? At what stage will a warrant of arrest be released for implementation? We leave it to the discretion of the Department of Justice. How to resolve this? Since we already submitted our findings to the DOJ, ating prosecution kahapon, we will leave it to them to go over, review, and assess the submissions of the NBI. Yes, okay na anong merito, kung kailan sila mag-resolve nila. Yeah, at kung magpapile sila ng information, if they find merit in the investigation of the NBI, they will file an information. Yeah, we will leave it to their special discretion. Yeah, understood, sir. In other words, sa ngayon, at this moment in time, wala pa pong involvement at hindi pa pwedeng i-involve ang Interpol. Tama po ba? Sa ngayon, yes, this is the findings of the NBI na meron kaming matibay na ebidensya dun sa violations nila ng ating domestic laws. Ayan. Okay. Director, maraming salamat po for the update, and we'll be talking to